In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail. If your inbox feels chaotic, you're in the right place. Gmail is a powerful tool, and with a few basics, you'll be composing messages, navigating your inbox, and finding what you need in no time. I'll walk you through the essentials so everything feels simple and intuitive. Let's start with the heart of email, writing a message. Look for the Compose button on the Gmail screen. Clicking it opens a new message window where you'll see three key areas. In the To field, type an email address or start typing a name. Gmail will suggest contacts to save you time. Next is the subject line, which should be clear and specific so the recipient knows what your email is about at a glance. Finally, the message body is where you write your email. Keep it friendly and focused, and aim for short paragraphs so it's easy to read. If you need to address multiple people, make sure you're sending to the right recipients before you continue. When everything looks good, click Send. If you're not ready, simply close the window. Gmail will automatically save your message in drafts so you can come back later. Now, let's make sense of your incoming messages. Gmail helps you focus by automatically sorting your inbox into categories like primary, social, and promotions. Primary is where personal and important emails usually land, while social and promotions hold things like updates and marketing messages. This keeps your main inbox cleaner and easier to scan. You can switch between these tabs at the top of your inbox to quickly review what matters most without getting overwhelmed. On the left side of the screen, you'll find your core folders. Inbox is where new messages appear. Sent stores everything you've already sent, which is helpful when you want to confirm what you wrote or when you sent it. Drafts holds messages you started but haven't finished, so you can pick up right where you left off. Think of this left sidebar as your navigation menu. It keeps everything organized and just a click away. Finally, when you need to find something fast, the search bar at the top is your best friend. Type a keyword, a contact's name, or a phrase from the subject line, and Gmail will scan across your messages to find matches, even from past years. Try keeping your keywords simple and specific. Within seconds, you'll have exactly what you're looking for. With these basics, Compose, inbox categories, your left side folders, and powerful search, you're ready to use Gmail with confidence.